What's going on, YouTube? This is What Would Josh Do, and I've got an unboxing here of a product that was sent to me. This is actually a camera slash laser, so you can have fun with your pets while they're gone. And I have a cat and a dog, and they both like to chase after lasers. So this is going to be kind of cool. We'll see how it works and what's in the box, and show my dogs and cats having some fun with it. So let's go ahead and open this sucker up. All right. So in the box, we've got this box and nothing else. Just this little guy right here. Let you go ahead and get a good look at that. It says the Petcube Play. See, talk to, and play with your pet from your phone. My wife is a cat person. She's a cat lady, and she loves cats. And we have a dog too, so this is going to be kind of fun. We'll see how this works. Stream 1080p HD with a 138-degree wide-angle view. Two-way audio with built-in speaker and microphone. Night vision for low light and no light conditions. Sound and motion alerts. And all this things right here. Autoplay mode for the laser toy. Wow. Okay. So apparently you can have it automatically play with your animals when you're not home. Okay. So there's a little bit more information there. Let's go ahead and pop the top off of this thing. So opening it up is definitely a challenge. All right. So we have it. After a little bit of trying very hard, we have it. So let's go ahead and pop this open here. And then there's one more here. There is some more information on the side here. At Petcube, we believe that humans should never have to be apart from their pets. So we came up with a great way to remotely stay in touch. That's pretty cool. I have a Dropcam Pro, and I actually sometimes will get on there and we'll be like, hey, kitty, you're, trying to get the cat's attention. So that's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and open this thing up. And pretty nice packaging so far. Here's the camera. There it is. It's got like a nice rubber bottom. So if you put it on wow, that's pretty firm. Like that's not going anywhere on its own. And it's got a little mount if you want to put it on a tripod or something, or like have a Gorilla Pod from Joby. Those things could also work on there too. And it has your little warning about lasers. And there's the charging port, or the power port. Looks like it's a Type-C connection, actually. That's pretty cool. Glad to see most things are going that way. Really big infrared sensor there. That's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and see what else is in the box. Everything in here is packaged so tightly. All right, looks like there's a push the pin to reset the device on the bottom. Okay, so it looks like a SIM card ejector tool, but apparently it's got a right there little hole to reset this thing. It's kind of hard to see, but it's right there. Let's just let it all come out like this. A really long cable, probably I want to say 6 foot and possibly more, but probably around there. That is maybe even longer. I don't know. That's pretty long. Look at this thing. It's ginormous. It's long. It can reach across this room. Ugh. Almost smacked myself in the face with it. So then we've got this power thing, and I'm also going to tell you the ratings, so how powerful this sucker is. It says it's 5 volts at 2 amps. That's pretty average there. 2 amps, 5 volts, pretty normal. It says Petcube, so you're not going to lose which track of which one charges this thing or keeps it powered. And then it looks like that's it. Well, I definitely won't have any problem reaching under the desk to plug the sucker in. This is nice, and that is a Type-C cable. That's pretty freaking cool. All right, plug it into the back here. And there's a little light. We're going to need to go grab our phone real quick. All right, looks like it also came with some little things here. Not quite sure what these are for. There's probably instructions. But let's go ahead and set this thing up. It looks like it's a solid green light. It's slowly pulsing. Let's go to our phone here and search for Petcube. I haven't done this yet, so this is first time for me. Install. You're gonna, basically see firsthand what all happens when you first get this thing and setting it up, and hopefully this could be a little bit of some helpful things here. Wait for the install, and then I gotta sign up, so I'll go ahead and pause this here. All right, let's go to connect camera and connect Petcube. Whoa, I guess this is the play. It looks like it's this one here. Yes, you can allow. Is it blinking? Yes. Searching for your device. Let's go ahead and get that in the shot so you can see if it changes. This process seems like it can take a while. It's not going very fast. So let's see if maybe we need to restart it or something.
Hi, I am Petcube, and I am the best way to always be close to your pet.
My mic's facing towards me, but I press that reset button, and it looks like the laser is actually hitting the wall. Oh, it stopped. Dang it, you didn't get to see that. That was kind of cool. But it was actually hitting the wall in front of me. I was going to turn this camera around and let you see it, but it's not there anymore. So let's try to find the device one more time. Let's go. We hit the reset button for about 5 seconds, and then it started talking and shining a laser. All right, that time was a lot easier. I just basically held the button down while the little light was orange, and now it's letting me select it. And we'll hit next. All right, so here's a list of our routers. So let's go ahead and do on hub here. And we'll hit connect. So my advice to you is while you put the power in, just go ahead and immediately hold that reset button down. And for me, it immediately popped up after holding it down for a few seconds, it immediately popped up my phone and let me select it. So I don't think it does anything until you actually hold the reset button down. So let's go ahead and start using Petcube. Now it's a white light. What's it doing? Oh, it's connecting to it. Something went wrong. Let's recall that. All right, so after a little bit of trouble, I did get it to work. Let me go ahead and show you this here. Let's zoom in on this so you can see a better view of this right here. You can see the laser is kind of like to the left there on the wall. It's hard to show you that. It's oh, you can. What is that? Okay, that's cool. That's really cool. Let's set this down a little bit, and I can go ahead and have it lower just a little bit there, or go here, or point it at the little YouTube play button. That's really cool. That is so awesome. Let's go ahead and change the view around. All right, so I've got the laser here. I can go on my phone and I'll choose the box over there, the Nest box. Let's see if I can get it to go over there. All right, let's move this out of the way. All right, choose the Nest box. And it looks like it's over there. So let's choose the play button now. And it's up there. This is really cool. So I'm going to go ahead and show a brief demo of my dogs going crazy. I can also do this too. There you go. So I'll go ahead and just choose a different area. And there it is. What if I could choose the actual table? Oh, it goes to the table. There it is. That's really cool. How fast does it move? Decent speed. I can't get over this. It looks like you can even take a screenshot or record a video. And okay, so yeah, it saves the video. We'll go ahead and play that back in on here. That's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and see how the dogs react to this. Okay, this is kind of a crazy setup, but here I am. There's my dog. Let's go ahead and point the laser on the ground and move the laser around. I hope not forget with this one hand.
He started to.
Move it around. You can tap it or you can hold it. There you go. I'm holding the camera. She's holding the laser pointer.
Get the laser. Get the laser. It's because we're out here. He's not going to do it.
Different setup here. Cat's going kind of crazy. Let's go ahead and move it over here. Kind of hard to do with one hand. Okay, let's just move it like this. That's what I was wanting. Oh man, you got to be like, it's not the fastest. Like if you're holding it in your hand. Come on. Let's go to his foot again. Max. Not the easiest thing to control with one hand and try to look at two different screens. This is pretty cool. This is definitely I can definitely recommend this. This is awesome. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving the video a thumbs up. I'd greatly appreciate it. Thank you, Petcube, for sending this out to me for a review. This was provided to me for free. They did not pay me anything to make this video. Please follow me on Twitter and Instagram if you're not doing so already. This is What Would Josh Do, and I'm out.